court?
Actually, there's some door closed and people still sitting outside, so I was sitting out there waiting. I didn't know that it was already open.
Oh, no, you've been here before and you know court is on the inside. Court is not outside in the hallway. You understand?
Yes, understood. Yeah.
Sometimes I have classes that I have to attend. Believe it or not, judges still have CLE to attend. And sometimes there are other judges who sit for me. And guess what? You'll be going to jail right now if there were another judge on this bench. You understand?
Understood.
Because for them, once they call the docket and once they pass your name and you're not present, it doesn't matter if you come in and they haven't finished calling the docket, they would have the deputy take you in the box and take you all the way to the Bexar County Jail. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So today is his plea deadline date.
He wants to set up a trial date.
All right.
Get a trial date from him.
All right. How long do y'all expect this trial to last?
I believe no more than 2 days, Judge.
All right. You can have a jury trial or a bench trial. The state, of course, would have to agree to a bench trial, which I'm sure they will. Here's the thing about bench trials. What it means is I hear the evidence, I make a ruling. If the state proves their case beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm going to find you guilty. If they don't, I'm going to find you not guilty. So, bench trial or jury trial?
I'm going to ask for jury.
Jury trial.
All righty. Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. It's 2 days. Is criminal trial division up this week?
Woo. Off to a heated start already. The judge doesn't even wait for introductions before issuing a stern warning. Notice how seriously courts treat tardiness, one wrong move. And you're in cuffs before you can say traffic jam. Stick around, this courtroom's not pulling any punches today.
Would y'all be available this week?
I believe we have maybe like an 8-case docket tomorrow. I believe we're pretty heavy and set on those cases.
All right, we'll see what happens. We'll put it on the docket tomorrow and see where we are. All right.
Judge, I have a contested sentencing tomorrow in Comal County. My felony.
And how long is that going to last?
Comal County, it could last all day. We hurry up and wait in Comal County.
That's okay. We'll set it for tomorrow. You'll be here tomorrow at 9 a.m. And then we'll see how long your contested hearing lasts, and we may do jury selection on Wednesday. All right, so you need to be here tomorrow on time at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
I'm sorry.
If I'm unable to make it, do you want me to?
Oh, just call.
Email?
Yes, and then that would probably mean that his trial will be on Wednesday instead of Tuesday.
All right, can I go sit down?
Hmm?
I can go sit down.
Yes, and once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. And if you all can make sure I have an acknowledgement of discovery.
I could get that right now, Judge.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I need to go.
No, it's not happening. Oh, that's separate. Oh, okay.
Okay, let's break this down. A bench trial means the judge acts as both referee and jury. She hears the case and delivers the verdict, but a jury trial? That's when a group of everyday citizens decides your fate. So why did the defense choose jury over bench here? Could be strategy? Maybe they think a jury might be more sympathetic than a seasoned judge who's heard it all.
All right, and where's your client? All right, Mr. Lopez, if you'll come down.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Well, I'm doing okay. How about yourself?
I can't complain. Currently alive.
Yeah, it's true.
That's good.
We're dry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Much better than the alternatives.
I'm at the age now where I realize, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to start doing stretches. Because I'm like, my back was hurting a little bit. And then I said, oh, I need to do stretches. So now that I've started with my stretches every morning, everything's fine.
That's good.
All right, so last time we were here, there's some missing photos, body-worn camera, forensic interview of the witness. So.
Yes, Judge. And for an update on it, we were able to get clarification on the photographs. We were able to get the body-worn camera videos. We do have the forensic interview of the child.
Okay, so just 1 second. Let's take it one step at a time.
Of course.
Yeah. So forensic interview, you have that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And counsel, you just need to confer with the state on that.
We did talk on this past Thursday and went over some of the evidence. I had not watched, I represented to
Welcome to the world of courtroom scheduling where legal calendars are more tangled than your phone charger cords. Notice how one judge is hearing. In another county can affect this entire trial timeline. Justice might be blind, but she's also chronically overbooked.
what was in the forensic interview. We haven't shown it to defense yet, but we do have it. So,
Okay. And then the body camera.
yes, that is downloaded into Veripec.
Okay. And then the photos.
The photos, there was some differences where the report said a certain number and then we received a different number. I did clarify with the detective, the report just had the wrong number. So the photos are all included and they have been included. We just needed that clarification.
All right. Is there anything else?
There is, yes. The 911 recording, this originally went to the city on the 911 call. It later got transferred to the sheriff's office. So I did contact Detective Solis, I guess at the last hearing, to try to get that recording. He is
New character unlocked, Mr. Lopez. And did you catch that banter with the judge? Lighthearted small talk like this might seem odd in a courtroom setting, but judges often build rapport to humanize the experience. It's a rare, candid moment before things get serious again.
requested it from SAPD. We have yet to receive it yet from SAPD,
All right.
however.
When do you think you will receive it?
Judge, typically it takes around 2-ish weeks, so I would have thought we'd get it soon. I mean, my hope we'd get it within the next week or two.
I mean, don't they just like upload it in the system?
They usually do when it's their own case because it was another agency. I think that's where the hiccup happened. Because if it was sheriff's office, they would have done it immediately. But because it was another agency and they didn't have that JN number, I think that's where the confusion happened.
All right. Other than the 911 recording, is there anything else?
No, not to the state's knowledge, no.
All right. Do you think there's anything else, counsel?
Well, other than being able to see the interview or the
Forensic interview.
forensic interview,
The infamous agency handoff. Ever wonder how vital evidence like a 911 call can go missing for weeks? Here's how. When multiple law enforcement agencies get involved, communication breakdowns happen. One city's evidence becomes another county's paperwork nightmare. And yes, it slows down justice. Big time.
and the 911, that's all I'm aware of now.
All righty. Ms. Ferguson, on this one, let's do a 20-day reset. And at that time, state you'll need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Oh, of course. And for the court's knowledge, I did inquire with the detective on Thursday about his status of the 911. He was still awaiting it. So.
Okay.
But I'll check again later this week.
All right, thank you. All right, July 24th.
Let's talk discovery. That's the phase where the prosecution hands over all their evidence to the defense. No surprises allowed in court. If anything's missing, like body cam footage or 911 calls, witnesses might get subpoenaed to explain why. The stakes are rising. And that plea deal coming on the 28th could change everything.
An offer will be due, and if there's some other discovery missing, then what's going to end up happening is this next date, witnesses need to be subpoenaed to be here to see why the discovery is not here.
And, Your Honor, I'm actually out the week of July 21st.
Okay.
Would it be possible to have it on the 28th, the Monday?
Norma, put this on July 28th. Defense counsel is out.
Or status?
I'm sorry, state is out.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Welcome. All right, is that good for you, the 28th?
Yeah, that's fine. 20th.
All right, so we're going to bring you back on the 28th. What's going to end up happening on that date, they're going to make sure that they have all their discovery, and the state is going to tender an offer to you. And then once the offer is tendered, I'm going to reset it for your plea deadline date. And if an agreement is not reached at the plea deadline date, then what will end up happening, you'll be set for